Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm John. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert a Microsoft PowerPoint document to video. Ready? Let's go. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. We're not going to learn how to do PowerPoint presentation in this video. The purpose of this video is to learn how to convert an already made PowerPoint to video for advert, publicity, announcement and so forth. Chances are some of those adverts you have seen are made from PowerPoint. Most of my publicity videos I've made for my church are from PowerPoint, even thought I sometimes use other video editing software. So, we are going to use an already made document. I got this document from PowerPoint School. Let's look at the raw presentation before we convert it to a video. That was our presentation. Of course, we needed to click anytime to reveal the next slide. Now, let's convert it. Watch me go through the process. Here. If you choose GIF, the slides will be saved as pictures. Let's try it. So, these are they. Now the video. This will take some time, so I will pause the video and come back when it is done. So, our video is now ready. Let's check it out. You can even take it higher by adding a voice narration or a music. Add a music. Look at the final product. Thank you for watching. Please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Like, comment and share this video. I upload videos twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays. Your They help us to improve on our videos and they let us know what you in particular want. the link to our other videos in the description. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.